learn sound of letter L. And L says L. What is the sound of letter L? L. L. This is capital L. This is small l. Capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. Repeat with me. Capital L, small l. L says L. L says L. Say it again. L says L. L says L. L says L. L as in lamb. L, lamb. L as in lamb. L, lamb. L as in lady finger. L, lady finger. L as in lady finger. L, lady finger. L as in lotus. L, lotus. L as in lotus. L, lotus. L as in lollipop. L as in lollipop. L, lollipop. L, lollipop. What is this? Lamb. L, lamb. What is this? Yes, this is a lotus. L, lotus. What is this? Yes, these are lady fingers. L, lady fingers. L, lady fingers. And what is this? Yes, these are lollipops. These are lollipops. L, lollipops. L, lollipops. L says L. L says L. What is the sound